Getting started takes seconds. Head to tryquotely.com, sign in with Google, and you're in. This is Quad, your agency's AI command center. Quoting, book sync, Gale, and analytics. All ready to go. Quoting connects to TurboRater with over 200 carriers. BookSync links your AMS, CRM, and IBANs. Gale handles your calls. Just type what you need. Quad understands natural language. Ask it to quote a customer, pull up a policy, or walk you through any feature. Quad doesn't just give you data. It does the work. It guides you through setup, connects your carriers, imports your book, and gets you quoting on day one. And it all works on mobile. Quote, manage, and analyze from anywhere. Something most agency platforms still can't do. Stop toggling between 5 tools. Let Quotely run your agency. Get started free at tryquotely.com.